Hello guys, good morning. My name is Emmanuel from webversity.com and Jabi Concepts. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change your WordPress access. Maybe you forgot your username or you forgot your password. I'm going to be showing you how to change your password so that you can log in. But before I go on, please, I'm still growing my channel and I want you to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe and hit the like button so that whenever I do videos like this, you see it. I do videos that solve problems. I do videos that show you how to make money using the internet. Let's go on. How do you change your WordPress access? What I do is I go to my Cpanel. I log into my Cpanel. This site is hosted by TendyWebHost. If you want, you could use them to host your website. TendyWebHost.com. Tendy. Okay, I'll leave a link to the site in the description so you could use them to host your website. So what you simply do is, this is my login, my WordPress admin login page. I will go to my Cpanel and then I will scroll down to where I have phpmyadmin. phpmyadmin. When I get to phpmyadmin, I will scroll down and look for the database of this particular site, which is this. Then I will look for users. Either I look for users from here, I've seen it here, or from this navigation panel, I go to users. When I click on users, it will show me all the users on this site. Now, this is the username, Peace Voodoo Global, which is this. I've just selected it. Now, this is the password, but we want to use the password that we can easily remember. So what I'll simply do, I'll click on edit. Click on edit. Come to this user password value. For the function, you change the function to MD5. I change the function to MD5. For the password, I'm going to change this password to WATROI. WATROI. If I change this password to WATROI and I say go, my password has been changed. It is that simple and easy. That simple and easy. So let me log in. Let's see. This is the username. I put this, the password, WATROI, and then login. Let's see if it's going to log us in to the site, and yes, we are in the dashboard. So I have successfully changed the password for this. So do have to subscribe and then try this. I am sure it's going to work for you. I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to share this video. Take care. Bye.